YouTube, we're back. Oh, Monkey Boy's not here to help, so I gotta figure this out myself. Oh, goodness gracious. So, I'm gonna slide this drive shaft in. Try not to drop it. Yeah, it's a good thing I've got 3.5 inches of lift on this thing. That's what it's gonna take to be able to get this thing put back together. So let's see. Stay. Good job. Let's see here. I need my 5/16. My 5/16 back knuckle saver wrench. Whoop whoop. Yes, that's what it is. It's 5/16 wrench for these little itty bitty bolts that go into see that? That's where they go. Well, let's see if we can get you guys to watch that. How's that? Just a little light on the subject. William. Here you go, canvas. Alright. I have my 5/16 wrench. You know, it probably would go a little easier if I had a ratchet wrench, but you know what? I don't have a ratchet wrench. Actually, I think I do. I just gotta find it. Anyways. Okay, here we go. You just pull it out, line it up, get a bolt started. They now have front wheel drive. The drive shafts are all lubricated. Get rid of this big dog. Oh, goodness gracious. Man, we got one more to go. Where to go? Where if I could go? Oh, there it is. Somebody put it up on top. So yes, having 3.5 inches of lift on your vehicle really helps when you're fat trying to get underneath it to do work. I know, some people say, oh, it's rude. No, it's not rude when you're talking about yourself. That's okay, because you know what? I like myself, and I myself is the greatest thing since sliced bread. Just ask me, and I will tell you. Uh-oh. There we go. Oh, we're not going the right way. Listen to that 120 tooth ratchet. Go. Now you saw how I did it. I'm just going to rinse and repeat on the bag. Thank you. Hey, rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye!